Eggless Banana Cake. Ingredients: all-purpose flour or whole wheat flour 1.5 cups. Sugar ½ cup. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Baking soda ½ teaspoon. Salt a pinch. Bananas 3 to 4. Dates 5 to 6. Walnuts 10. Vanilla beans 2. Any odorless oil 2 by 3 cups. Milk ½ cup plus vinegar 1 tablespoon. Or curd ½ cup. Honey 1 tablespoon. Choco chips a handful. Mix everything together to make a smooth batter. Bake for 45 to 55 minutes in a pressure cooker or bake for 10 to 15 minutes in high, accordingly, in microwave oven. Enjoy a healthy and delicious cake.